Hare Krishna, a hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a festive recipe. Today is Vasant Panchami, the fifth day of the waxing moon in Magh Mas, which marks the beginning of spring in India and also the beginning of the festivities of Holi in Vraja. On this day, the Lord are dressed and decorated in yellow garments, jewels, and flower, and are offered various dishes of saffron or kesar and other yellow ingredients that make the foodstuffs also match the overall color code of the festival. In order to celebrate this joyous festival, today we will make biranj. So let's start quickly. Here I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice. We will wash them well and rinse it and then soak it for half an hour. Here I had rinsed and soaked the rice before half an hour. Now we will proceed. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee in a kadai and add 4 to 5 chopped almonds, 8 to 9 cashew nuts and 3 tablespoons flakes of dry coconut. Now roast this until they turn golden in color on low flame. You can see they have darkened. Let's take them out. Further add 1 tablespoon of raisins and let them enlarge a little. This takes very little time, so we add it later. They have done. Let's take it out. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ghee in the same kadai. Now add 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 small pieces of cinnamon. Further add the rinsed and soaked rice. Give it a mix and let it cook for a minute. This is such an easy recipe which can be prepared in very less time and has a very rich flavor. Now add 2 cups of water. So let the rice cook. Do not stir it hard or else the rice grains will break. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Next, I had soaked 7 to 8 saffron strands in 1/4 cup of milk before half an hour. Let's add. Give it a mix so that it combines well. Now cover the lid and let the rice cook on low flame for 5 minutes. It has been 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check the rice once. Give it a gentle stir. This will need more 10 minutes, so cover the lid and let them cook. After 10 minutes, let's check. Perfect. Our rice have been cooked well. Make sure you are gentle while mixing it. Now let's add half cup of sugar. Moreover, here I have taken nutmeg. Grate and add a little. Do not add a lot. Combine all this well and evenly. Cover the lid and let the sugar melt and the flavors get incorporated well for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the sugar have melted and the rice too have cooked well. As biranj cool, it will become more fluffy and the rice will separate. Now turn off the flame. Add the nuts we had roasted. This will give a wonderful crunch to our biranj. Give it a final mix and biranj is ready. Our biranj is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Vasant Panchami special biranj or sweet rice is offered and ready. Do try this and offer to Lord Krishna. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.